Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To pull this rear dome light out, you're going to grab with your fingers on the back and just pull the clips down. Use your fingers. Pulls right down. Bulbs, make sure the bulbs are off. It'll be cooler that way, otherwise they'll be hot. You can just grab it, pull it down, replace it. Put it in, just push it back up. And you can do that with all three. They're all the same. Put the cover back on. Line it up, just push, and it's secure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.